Why hire a designer? When these 3 AI logo makers can create a unique professional logo for you in minutes completely free. That's right, hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of free AI logo generator. Specifically, Namecheap Logo Maker, My Free Logo Maker, and Canva. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's get started. First up is the Namecheap Logo Maker. This tool is super user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Visit the website. Go to logomaker.namecheap.com. Sign up with some dialog box so that you can easily download your logo. Now start designing. You will be prompted to enter your business name. Choose your style. Let's test it out and see what kind of logos we can create in just a few clicks. Once you have a few logo options, you can customize them. Customize your logo. Adjust the colors, fonts, and icons until it feels just right. This tool is a game changer for startups, freelancers, or anyone who needs a quick and stylish logo. Download your logo. When you're happy with your design, simply download it for free. Next on our list is My Free Logo Maker. This one is also super straightforward and offers a variety of templates. Visit the website, type in your business name, and hit Get Started. Select a template. Browse through the available templates that suit your brand. Don't rush. Take your time to find one that you love. No design skills? No problem. This AI logo generator does all the work for you. Customize your design. Just like with Namecheap, you can tweak colors, fonts, and layouts to make it uniquely yours. Download your logo. Once satisfied, download your logo in a high-quality format for free. If you want to see more videos, you can access the playlist. Simply click the eye icon on your screen. Last but definitely not least is Canva. Its logo maker is top-notch. Visit the website, go to canva.com and sign up for a free account, but I have Canva app, so I am going through with the app. You'll see a ton of templates to choose from. Choose a template. Pick one that catches your eye, and it will open in the editor. You can generate a professional-looking logo in seconds. Customize to your heart's content. Change the text, colors, and elements. You can even upload your own images or icons if you have something specific in mind. Look at this tool. It's super easy to use and completely free. The best part? You can tweak the design, change the colors, and make it unique to your brand. download your creation. When you're done, click on Download and select your preferred format. Voila! Your logo is ready to shine. Canva really gives you a lot of flexibility and creativity in your designs. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative tips. You can also see more AI-related videos like how to create images by AI tools for free in our channel. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Catch you in the next video.